Hello student, now we are going to study about geography paper third, that is GG 203 practical geography. Practical geography is related to map projections. Unit 4th, choice of map projections. In this unit we have to discuss about usefulness of map projections, problems with the choice of map projection, then choice of map projection for different purposes and regions, then distortion here about distortion about shape, size, direction and area. Usefulness of map projections. Maps serve many useful purposes. All those maps which show correct relationship among areas are useful for showing the distribution of commodities, political boundaries, etc. About usefulness of map projections, zenithal polar numeric projections. It is used for countries in the polar area. For the example, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Antarctica. It is useful to prepare map of nautical routes, astronomical charts, direction of blizzards, used to show air and ocean currents. It is used to study distribution in tundra region. In this way, zenithal polar numeric projections are used for different purposes. Then, zenithal polar stereographic projection. This projection is used for representation of the world in hemisphere. Then, conical projection with one standard parallel. This projection is suitable for showing the area of east-west extent. It is useful for showing Himalayan ranges, then Trans-Siberian Railway, other routes, atlas maps, and so on. Conical projection with two standard parallels. Conical projection with two standard parallel is suitable for representing east-west extent. Then Bonn's projection. Bonn's projection is used for countries, continents, for the example Australia, North America, USSR, and so on. It is used to prepare topographical sheets. Then cylindrical equal area projection. It is used for showing distributional patterns. Distribution in different areas. Then Mercator's projection. Mercator's projection is useful to show the navigational map, ocean currents, global wind, meteorological charts, etc. for etc. purposes. Then sinusoidal projection. It is used to show a hemisphere. It is used for showing countries, for the example Africa, South America, etc. Malevich projection. It is used to show distribution and density of population of the world. Azimuthal equidistant projection is used to show air route distances. Thus, a variety of map projections have been developed, each with its own specific quality. In this way, the projections are useful for different purposes. Then the problems with the choice of map projection. There is no way to troubleshoot the problems with the projections that does not require fairly sophisticated understanding of what the projections are all about. Raise the projection topics before beginning any troubleshooting. There are many types of map projections according to various bases, but none of them most suitable for drawing graticules accurately in different manners on the plane surface. There, there is not a single projection suitable for showing the correctness of shape, area, direction, and so on. Some projections cause intense distortion. In this way, there are problems with the choice of map projections. Then choice of map projection for different purposes and regions. वेगवेगळ्या कारणांसाठी नकाशा प्रक्षेपणांची निवड करणे, तसेच वेगवेगळ्या प्रदेशांसाठी नकाशा प्रक्षेपणांची निवड करणे. Maps serve many useful purposes. The three properties of map projections, namely homolographism, orthomorphism, azimuthality, determine the selection of map projection. Location of an area of the earth, shape, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the area also kept in view while making a choice of map projection. As already revealed by the properties of map projection, the cylindrical projections are generally suitable for tropical areas. दंडगोल प्रक्षेपणे साधारणपणे ट्रॉपिकल एरियाज दाखवण्यासाठी सुटेबल असतात. तसेच कोनिकल प्रोजेक्शन हे टेम्परेट एरियाज दाखवण्यासाठी सुटेबल असतात आणि जेनिथल प्रोजेक्शन हे टेम्परेट एरिया आणि पोलार एरिया दाखवण्यासाठी सुटेबल असतात. हियर कोनिकल प्रोजेक्शन्स are suitable for temperate areas, zenithal projections for temperate and polar areas. Thus, the purpose of a map, size of the area, shape, location on the earth are main points which guide us in choosing a map projection. Here, the purpose and suitable projection. Purpose is a world map. Suitable projection for the same is cylindrical equal area projection, Mollwitz, and sinusoidal projection is suitable for showing or representing world map. Then country or continents of polar regions. Equal area projections, genital polar equidistant projections are used to show the country or continents of polar regions. Then the purpose is distribution of a world population. For the same, the cylindrical equal area Mollwitz projection are used. The choice of map projection for different regions. These regions are tropical regions, temperate regions, polar regions. About the tropical regions, map of India, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Indo-Pakistan boundary. For representing these, Bond's projection is used. Then the purpose is a chart for sea route, wind direction, ocean currents. Here, marketer's projection is suitable. Then for showing Narmada Valley, Howrah Bombay Railway, conical projection with the two standard parallels are used. Then map of Kenya, Colombia, Ecuador, Brazil, Guyana. Here cylindrical equal area projection is used. Then map of Andaman and Nicobar Island, Cape Cairo Railway, Nile Valley. These are represented by the sinusoidal projection. Distribution of rice, rubber, tea, sugarcane, cotton, etc. tropical products are represented by the cylindrical equal area projections. In this way, the purpose for the tropical regions, then the suitable projections are like these. Then the temperate regions, distribution of wheat, corn, represented by Malwitz or sinusoidal projection. Then international boundary of the USA, Canada, the Trans-Canadian Railway. For representing these, conical projection with two standard parallels are suitable. Then maps of USA, Canada, Russia, France, Spain, Germany, etc. countries. Here, the both projection or conical projection with the two standard parallels is suitable. Then Great Britain, Denmark, conical projection with one standard parallel is used. About the polar regions, the Antarctica and the surrounding area of the Arctic Ocean. For showing, the purpose is to show the Antarctica and the surrounding area of the Arctic region. The suitable projection for this purpose is genital equidistance projection. Then, for showing the tundra region, genital polar equal area projection is used. Mineral and distribution, animal distribution in the polar regions are represented by genital polar equal area projection. Antarctica, genital equidistant projection, etc. In this way, the projections in this way, the choice of map projection for different purposes and regions is made. Then distortion with respect to shape, size, direction, and area. Converting a sphere to a flat surface results in a distortion. This is the most profound single fact about the map projection. Some maps get nothing exactly right, but nothing too far wrong. In a particular compromise, projections try to balance the shape and the area distortion. So the four spatial properties subject to distortion in projection are shape, size, direction, and area. Genital polar orthographic projection. The shape is much distorted near margin of a projection. Size of the area diminished away from the center of projection. Then about the conical projection with one standard parallel. Away from the standard parallel, areas are exaggerated and shapes are distorted. Genital polar mnemonic projection. The shape is distorted and areas enlarged away from the center of projection. Then Bond's projection. The shape away from the central meridian is distorted. Cylindrical equal area projection. The shapes of the countries are distorted increasingly towards the poles. The countries are stretched in the east-west direction and compressed in the north-south direction. About the sinusoidal projections, the shape is distorted near and on the margin and in the polar areas. In this way, uh, there is a distortion about the different projection. Uh, Here, distortion in the sense that shape, size, direction, and areas. In this way, the usefulness of map projections, problems with the choice of map projection for different purposes and regions, and distortion can be discussed. Okay, thank you.